Find features that distinguish it from other brands for JUOPIA Karaoke Machine for adults with dual 6.5-inch subwoofers, and 2 wireless microphones. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because, there are features include HD stereo sound quality. The Bluetooth Karaoke Machine is equipped with 2 6.5-inch full-range speakers and 2 2.0-inch tweeters. Using advanced high and low-pitched separation technology, the sound is clearer. The bass is stronger, the volume is more moderate, and all noises are eliminated. Enjoy the amazing music scene in 360 degrees and experience unparalleled sound quality. Create an immersive stereo experience and fill any room with powerful sound. Long battery life. Built-in 7200 mAh high-power rechargeable high-performance battery, providing more powerful and longer-lasting power, which can be used continuously for 10 to 12 hours. Ensure that you get an immersive listening experience during long outdoor trips, perfect for use at family gatherings or birthday parties or participating in beach parties, barbecues, cycling, hiking, camping and more activities. Multifunction Karaoke Speaker. Built in the latest Bluetooth 5.0 chip, providing more stable and long-distance transmission, ensuring uninterrupted party. This adult and children's karaoke machine also supports micro TF card, flash USB and AUX connection, and is compatible with Android phones, iPhones, iPads, TVs and PCs. 8. Color Disco Light Mode. The karaoke machine is equipped with 8 color RGB light modes and multiple lighting effects, allowing you to switch lights of different colors freely, moving with the beat of the song. Charming and romantic, allowing you to immerse yourself in the colorful music light show, perfect for family gatherings, Christmas performances, and various outdoor or indoor party activities. TWS Mode. Connect 2 identical karaoke machines via Bluetooth to form a dual speaker system with powerful stereo synchronization, allowing you to feel surrounded by 2 channels. Produce better stereo effects and more amazing sound effects, allowing you to better experience the beauty of music. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.